In this lecture, we will cover the pipe command. Pipe, it is a mechanism for sending data from one program to another. It's called piping, and the operator we use is the pipe, residing right above the backslash on the most keyboards. So if you shift in the backslash, that would be the pipe command. It sends the output from one command as an input to the next. Let's look at some of the examples so you can get a better idea. So let me bring up the terminal. So for example, if I do a cat -n on file 1, hit enter, let's see the output. As you can see, there's 18 lines, and when you do a cat with -n option, it shows you all the lines with the line numbers, just like that. But what if you wanted to use the output that's being displayed on the screen and use it in another command? That's where you can use the pipe. So let's run that command again. So now we know what this command does, and then we can use grep. For example, if we were looking for, when we ran this command and now we're looking for just one line or two lines or some particular word or a letter, then we can just do grep on, for example, 18. Hit enter, and it will just display that particular line on the screen. And you can use it with many different commands, and you can use pipe more than once. So let me clear the screen. Let's look at the second example. So if we grep user in etc password, I have a couple of users starting with name user in etc password. So let's run this first, and then we will use pipe so you can get a better understanding. So if we run that command, it shows user 1 and user 2. So now you know that you ran this command and you wanted to get some more information out of it, or you wanted to just run another command on this particular output, then you can use a pipe. So for example, now I know what I'm looking for and I just wanted to show anything with a 2 in it. Then I would just type in 2, hit enter. And with the pipe command, we can see that particular line on the screen. And you can use many different commands with it. You can use it with less, more, head, tail commands, which you're going to learn in the next lecture, those commands as well. But you can combine with a lot of different commands, the pipe command. So let's clear the screen. Let's move on to another example. Let's say if I did an ls on root, this is what you'll see. A lot of information. What if I wanted to just get some information out of that? So what if I ran this command and wanted to send the output to the next one? So I'll use the pipe again, and let's say I wanted to grep for anything that has E in it. So I will hit enter, and this is what I'll see. As you can see, it's displaying any lines that has E in it. Now if I wanted to sort this information even further, I can use the pipe command again, and now I can grep for example, D. Hit enter, and now I can find information or particular words that have D in it. Now if I wanted to grep further, I can do that, and you can use pipe command as many times as you like. Now if I wanted to grep for anything just with M, hit enter. As you can see, anything with M is just media. And that's how you can combine many commands, and you can use output from a previous command to the next one by using pipe. I hope you learned something useful in this lecture as well, and I'll see you in the next one.